Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today I am going to take class for 5th Sem Diploma Electrical and Electronics branch students. The subject is Electrical Estimation and Costing and the subject code is 15EE54T and the topic is what are the materials used in LT distribution lines and method to calculate the quantities of materials. Here we have to list the materials with specifications and specify the method of calculating various LT line materials. LT line voltage level is around 415 volts. So first material is poles. So material is RCC or PCC. RCC means reinforced cement concrete. PCC means pre-stressed cement concrete. Length of pole is 7.5 meter, 8 meter and 9 meter and the working load is 115 kg or 140 kg. Next item is 4-pin LT horizontal cross arm with pole clamp, bolt and nuts. Next item 2-pin LT horizontal cross arm with pole clamp, bolt and nuts etc. Then the material is LT single top support with accessories and the pin insulator 1.1 kV class pin insulator with pin and nuts etc. Then number 8 strain insulator. Here you can see the photos of pin insulator and horizontal cross arm. A pin insulator comes with the insulator with pin and nut. So through this pin and nut it is going to be fixed on the cross arm. On top of this insulator the conductor passes. It will hold the conductor here. Next one is 4-pin horizontal cross arm. 4-pin means here 4 insulator can be connected on this horizontal cross arm. It is a L-shaped angle. This is going to be fixed on the pole. Here the pole is tapered. So why this is tapered? So that the clamp for fixing of this cross arm may not go down. So it stays on the same position where we are going to fix it on the pole. So here is the stay insulator. Stay insulator, it comes for the dead end poles. Whenever we terminate the ACSR conductor, we are going to use this type of stay insulator or disc insulator. Here is the stay insulator. So you can see the holes here. This is one hole. So another one hole is there. Here for the in this hole, it is going to be fixed to the pole. So another hole connecting to the conductor. So there is no connection between the conductor and the wire tied to the pole. Here you can see reinforced cement concrete pole, or in short form it is going to be called as RCC poles. RCC poles are tapered one. That means width of one end of the pole is lesser than the width of the another end. Here you can see the width of the bottom end is greater than the width of the top end. As you can see, if you pass to the top end, the width is getting decreased. Here you can see the guy set. It is one type of guy set that is called anchor guy. Let us see what are all the materials it consists of. First one will be stay clamp through which it is going to be fixed to the pole. So then the stay wire, stay tightener, and the stay wire consists of 7 strands of 2.5 mm wire. Next stay tightener, next stay rod and the stay plate. Stay plate fixed below the ground level. And also you can observe here anti-climbing device. Anti-climbing device is a barbed wire wound on the pole certain length up to which it is wound. Next, we'll see the cross arm, 4-pin cross arm. So 4-pin insulator can be fixed. On top of the insulator, the wire passes. The pin insulator will hold the ACSR conductor. The next item is number 4 ACSR conductor, that is spiral conductor. It is 6 bar 1 bar 2.11. So here 6 means 6 numbers of aluminium conductor. One is 1 number of steel conductor. Both aluminium and steel conductors diameter is 2.11 mm. Next item, if we go, that is number 2 ACSR conductor, that is diesel conductor. So that is 6 numbers of aluminium, 1 number of steel, and both aluminium and steel conductors diameter is 2.59 mm. Next is number 8 ACSR or REN conductor. So 6 numbers aluminium, 1 number steel, and the dia of both steel and aluminium conductors are 1.33 mm dia. Next item is die set with 1.1 kV class insulator with stay plate, stay tie rod, stay wire, etc. Next item is guy concreting materials. Next is method of calculating low tension lines. So first here we have to assume the span, that is the distance between two poles is normally around 65 meters for 7.5 meter height of pole. Then first one is number of span equal distance divided by span. So then number of supports equal number of span plus 1. Then number of 4-pin LT horizontal cross arms equal total number of poles plus 1 at tapping point plus 1 into number of deviations. Next, for each dead ends, anchoring points, so that is breaking of conductors, angle points or deviations, RCC poles must be used, and for the rest, PCC poles can be used. Next, fifth item is number of guy sets, that is equal to, so that is 1 for each dead end, plus number of anchoring points into 2 plus 1 into number of deviation points. Next, sixth item is number of pin insulator. So that is equal to number of poles plus number of deviations minus 1 dead end plus number of anchoring points, total into 4. Then number of strain insulators equal to 1 for each dead end plus 2 into number of anchoring points, total multiplied by 4. The next item is length of ACSR number 4 or spiral conductor requirement equal 4 into number of kilometers into 1.03. So next item, whenever guardings are to be provided, two numbers of special cross arms with two number of guy sets and 15 kgs of 8 SWGI wires are to be taken. The reference books are as follows. First one is Estimation and Specification by Gangadhar Rao. Second one, Estimation and Specification by Raghunath Rao. And the next one, Estimation and Specification by Raghavendra Rao. And the next one, Electrical Drafting by S.F. Devalapur. And the e-references, indiamart.com. This is the team responsible for e-content development. Thank you for being with us. Please write to us your suggestion about content, tools, and format, etc. to lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you. Let us meet once again in the next session.